Okay, guys, we got a metal wreath form from the Dollar Tree. This is garland that I bought last year. I'm not sure if it was 3 or 5, but it's from the Dollar Tree. There's 5 colors. I took 2 sections of the colors, which is 10 bows. Moved them all along the rope, tied it here and glued it. Tied it here and glued it. Okay, and in the middle, at the bar, there's 2 bars. There's a bar here, and a bar in the middle. So when you turn it over, this is the front now. And, okay, I filled up 4 sections here, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So we have basically 6 sections. So we have 2/3 covered with them, 10, 10, 10, and 10 of just putting them all together. Then I had my ribbon. I cut down a welcome sign I also got and did that on the bottom. Now I have ribbon that this comes 3 yards from the Dollar Tree. Again, you're going to see me do what I always do, which is just cross them over and find my stuff. Okay. Now, this ribbon comes in 3 yards from the Dollar Tree. Now, I cut a couple of those off, so I just did the last little bit in thirds and wanted to show you you're going to get more bang for your bows to cover more of the frame at the top. So, I'm just going to show it to you this way because I'm probably going to maybe do something else at the top. And a lot of my stuff I don't put completely together, because I often dismantle it and use it for other things, other seasons. Because I'm an interior decorator by nature, I like change. So, a lot of this stuff gets dismantled, remade. I told you before I have 3 doors that I make wreaths for. So, I like to keep a lot of my stuff recycling. I've also told you I do reuse everything till it's used up or no good anymore. But anyway, there you go. I would argue your bow's going to be bigger, so they're going to cover more of the frame for you if you do this. And I just think it's totally adorable and not bad. It's $1.25 for the frame. I think it's 3 to 5 for this that I showed you how to just run it down the rope together. Glue it in spots, and then $1.25 for this, $1.25 for the sign, but you could use any sign. See, I think this is just perfect for spring and Easter. Just leave it up. You know what I mean? Now, you could also put little bunny stuff. I have little paws here. I just think these are so cute. They have them in pink, purple, but they're the heads, and the blue in the feet, which I just think is just precious. So you could do that. Dollar Tree sells these. You could take these off. You could cut them, just place them around, for the Easter idea. Many things. They also sell this garland at Easter time with the eggs. You could use that. Cut them off, glue them, whatever. Yeah, there you go. Nice spring wreath or Easter, whatever. Wanted to give you a last Valentine's Day take on all the wreaths. These are the plastic ones. They come in multiple colors. Lavender, pink, red, possibly more. I found lavender, pink, and red. But anyway, all I did was cut the point glue all this so that it does, if you want to use this, so it doesn't start to unravel, okay? And then at the top, I'm going to turn this around and show you where I just pulled it together, tied it up with a Dollar Tree tie, which can also be your hanger for your angel wings. You can embellish it with all kinds of ribbon. I use the Dollar Tree dusters to make it look like feathers. I think I cut a wreath open earlier in the season and was trying to do all feather dusters, and I realized it looked like, because I had cut it open, that it looked like angel wings. And I was like, oh, okay, so we can do it that way. But anyway, you can embellish it any way you want. You know, they sell all kinds of cute things I showed you previously. But this is the angel wing idea. Okay, here's our little angel wing wreath. And then I took the one that I cut open. I told you these come in a set of 3. I just wove Dollar Tree mesh, white mesh on it. Okay, it opened it up, and I'm going to attach it. Obviously, these are very sharp on the end, so you want to take care of that. And then I'm just going to clamp this so you can see what it looks like from the front for now. I'm not sure if this is going to go on my doors or not. It's an idea. It mostly, I think this needs to come up a little further here. And these do come in different sizes. And the pink wreaths, I bought all the same size. So there may be a little zhuzhing, you know, that takes place here. And, of course, here's your little hook, which I'm just going to open up. And wrap around this part of that wreath, the other wreath. Squeeze them together nice and tight. As close as you can. Remember, they're clamped on the bottom. Nice and tight. Then make your little loop. And then this is what you wind up with, is your angel wreath, angel wings. I think I may even put a little halo in the middle. And you may have to zhuzh around with it so that most of this white is on the outer part, you know. But, yeah, that's your angel wing. I might make a little halo. That's another Valentine idea. Do the angel wings with the hearts. And I also did a baby heart here. Same thing. You're just pinching it together at the top, cutting it at the bottom. These are plastic. They're not metal. They're much easier than the metal ones are to cut. This is metal. The pack of 3. So, but, yeah. Cute idea for Valentine's Day and really for Easter. It's pink, you know. So, yeah. Please like, subscribe, and share. You can even